So it's going to ask you to download to instrument, upload from instrument, or new method from instrument. We're just going to say download to instrument, and that's going to load the last selected method. Just make sure you choose the proper method from here. So now that our software is turned on, first thing I want to do is turn on my detector. I want to turn on my detector now because this UV lamp, as well as the halogen bulb, they're going to take a couple minutes to come up to equilibrium and come to temperature, so that way it can accurately use Beer's law to calculate and work. Just selecting which detector I'd like to use. Balancing. Balance is just zeroing whatever the detector is actively reading. And then now I can see my flat baseline from my UV detector. That makes sense that there's a flat baseline. So now let's go from there. And it's actually not a flat baseline. There, now it's reading our detector. So now what you're seeing is an increase of photons because the lamp is warming up. And we're just gonna wait until this comes to a flat baseline, but in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna look at our quaternary pump method, and we want to make sure that we have a pretty low flow rate to start and just check for leaks. So let's just do 0.5 mLs per minute, and we have 4 lines inside of the inside of our mobile phase bottle. So instead of pulling 100% of our volume, 0.5 mLs per minute from line A, we're going to pull equally from all 4 lines to make sure there's no bubbles in our lines, as well as to make sure that we fill it with our new mobile phase. So we're going to change all these to say 25. And then in addition, it's always good practice to document what you are actually doing. So we're going to write just what our mobile phase is. And then I'm going to just copy that and put that in all of here. So now we have our flows set up. We are good to save those settings. And now we can switch on and start our quaternary pump.